This is an indexing mechanism using incomplete gears. The green gear rotates continuously in one direction, but unlike a normal gear, some of its teeth have been removed. As the green gear turns, a red driving pin engages the pink three-petaled star attached to the purple gear. This causes the purple gear to rotate exactly 120 degrees. After the indexing movement is completed, the pin disengages. Now the purple gear remains locked in position. The flat, toothless section of the green gear prevents further motion and creates a dwell period. When the green gear completes another revolution, the cycle repeats. The result is a precise intermittent motion system where continuous input produces controlled step-by-step output. A clever combination of incomplete gears, indexing, and mechanical locking.